Mod a bolt yo-yo. Knowing how to play yo-yo is not only limited to kids, but to adults as well. You'll normally see a lot of shows that feature various yo-yo tricks. Bolt yo-yo is a product developed in Florida by a company named YoYoJam, and the responsiveness of these products is beneficial for beginners and professionals who have special tricks up their sleeves. However, some think that bolt yo-yos are too responsive, making it hard to perform certain tricks. Modding a bolt yo-yo helps alleviate this problem. When you do a mod, you add a bind, making the yo-yo slightly unresponsive, thus giving you the time to make your tricks. If you want to know how to do this, here are the things you need to do. Prepare the things you need. You'll need flowable silicone, shims, sandpaper preferably of medium grit, mineral spirits, your bolt yo-yo, and syringe with a plastic tip. You'll also need screwdrivers, pliers, safety pin, and rubber band. Disassemble the yo-yo. Carefully unscrew and disassemble your yo-yo. Remove all the O-rings and bearings. If you're having difficulty removing the O-rings, you can use safety pins to get them out. Use pliers to remove the bearings. You can wrap rubber band around the bearings so you can protect the bearings surface. Once you have the rubber band covering in place, use the pliers to start wiggling the bearing forwards and backwards until they're loose and can be easily pulled out. Although not necessary, you can also take off the yo-yo's bearing shields. Get a safety pin and push it around the bearing's inner edge until you're able to insert the pin under and can easily take it off. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. It makes it easier for you to remove dirt and grime that sticks to the yo-yo over time, though it also makes it easy for dirt and grime to get inside the yo-yo. Remove the oil from the ball bearing. Fill a cup with mineral spirits. Soak the ball bearings on this cup and shake it to ensure that the bearings are fully cleaned. This helps remove the oil that was included in the yo-yo as it was manufactured and shipped. If you don't have mineral spirits, you can use rubbing alcohol in its place. Leave the ball bearings soaked for 5 to 10 minutes. Take off the bearings afterwards and leave them to dry on a piece of paper towel. Doing so can reduce the lifespan of the bearings, but they can still serve their purpose for a year or so. Add the flowable silicone. Use the syringe to pour the silicone on the space where the O-rings used to be. Once done, wipe off any excess silicone with a business card or your fingers. Leave it out to dry for about 12 hours, occasionally checking to remove accumulated dirt. Sand the yo-yo. After the silicone has dried, use the sandpaper to roughen up the yo-yo's plastic covering, in order to add friction between your hand and the toy. Sand only the part that actually touches your hand. Reassemble the yo-yo. Once you're done with the silicone and sandpaper, start putting the yo-yo back together. After you finished with the mod, start employing your special yo-yo tricks. Enjoy.